So what's up? It's Zay. Today I'm gonna show y'all a little restoration video. You know, it's just a little something simple on some OGs I picked up. I've been doing this for a minute, so I just said might as well make a video about it. So this is my first restoration video. It's gonna be on the pair OG 13s. 11.5 my size. They're Jordan white, true red and black. Of course made in China. Open them up. It is the 1997 He Got Games in very disgusting condition. Alright, you can see a heavy separation on the toe. A bad re-glue job by somebody else prior to me. Previous owner probably. Creases. The suede is dried up. And it's pretty much nappy all around. There's nothing smooth on it. Going up, you see the paws are dirty. Sole is pretty straight actually, which is ironic. Just a little bit of heel drag here and there. And the air bubbles fogged up. However, sadly, on the other one, it cracked from age and fell off. So I only have one air bubble cover, but I'm not stressing about it because it's not that noticeable. Other than that, these are in good condition. OG tag right there. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. I swear, come take a tour. You might like what you see for sure. Hey, we got lots of trees, we got lots of drugs. Just cracked my screen on my phone. Oh my god, it was pristine condition too. Oh well. We got lots of pretty things, we got lots of us. Once you do that, you got a nice floppy shoe. So get you some socks. I usually do 2 pair or 1 pair because I got a bigger foot. But if you got a small foot or the shoe toe box is small, you know, just use 1. But pretty much just stuff it in just like that. You know, just stuff the shoe up. You can use plastic bags. If the struggle's real, newspaper, anything like that, you know. Just make sure your toe is firm. Push that in more. And that's pretty much it. Now, of course, we're cleaning them. You're just going to keep it simple. Unless it's actually necessary to go all out, you know, with the bleach and stuff. But pretty much on these, you're just going to use some washing detergent. If you have dish detergent, that works too, but I'd rather use washing detergent because it's actually meant for cloths and it helps rehydrate the leather a little bit better. So pretty much, I'm just gonna go all over on this, hit the sole a little bit, and just try and see what I can work with and what has to be scrubbed a little bit more. Bump, bumping and up, bump. Music in the mix, so it got some post shining. Hood color starting, rushing the rush hour. Boy, never coming so soon, coming slow. Right on the low, it's all full show. Between hiding the boat, skirts hiding nose on Maryland, Monroe. Some of these pods, with the treads, you see it's still dirt stuck inside, especially right here. Don't stress about that. All you gotta do, get you a skewer, you know, Walmart, a little barbecue skewer. Make sure it has a point. Don't try and use the tooth, but it's too small, it's just gonna break. Pretty much, just run the line. Try and clean that up. Pretty gummy, real thick, hard to get out, or use acetone to weaken it so you can pull it a little easier. Other than that, you just keep working at it and you'll get it out soon enough.
Portable ghetto blast to the niggas in the civic back into the backwoods. Back when the times was good. Gas prices mediation was red. River rain, record pins daily. And crack ass learned to repent safely. Even if the nigga tank off from Old Stacy. Basically, the A-Town was sacred as the promise saving.
And if you got some stains that don't come out, you know, like to stick around, everything ain't A1 clean from just detergent. It gives you some bleach. Try and scrub with some of that. Or just go in the garage and run through the chemicals. Just make sure you don't mix ammonia with bleach. It's kind of dangerous. Sometimes you can get tire cleaner, other type of stuff to clean rubber. You just gotta try your hand at different chemicals. Don't believe in all those generic products and little, I ain't gonna take no shots, but products on the market now claim to be a little quick cleaner that you get at your local shoe store. Don't believe in that. It's not even worth it. Linen is a simple way to get that out. Only two things you need. Head of a razor if you really want to use one. You can, but usually I just use sandpaper. Rip a piece off. So just tear off a little piece like that. Nothing too big. Fold it so it's malleable. And then just go at it pretty much. Just keep scraping it. So here's your before and after. This is before. Let me focus in. You can see all those little peelings in there, all the way through the collar into the ankle area. And then now, after, it's not 100%. It wasn't that serious. As long as it's smooth to my ankles and I don't feel anything rubbing against them, that's fine with me. But again, if you have OCD, go all out if you want to. So right now I'm finna trim some excess ends. Pretty much this little type of stuff right here. Stuff that's just sticking up. Just get you a razor blade. Try and use the razor blade first. Do not try and use a lighter first. You're just gonna make a little nasty little ball that's burnt. If this doesn't work, however, if you can't get a nice cut on it, then you use the lighter. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and lace these up since I'm done with the inside, and it's gonna be a little tough since homie broke that lace tip and he's a 13, so it's gonna be a minute, but I'll make it through.
It will endure.
I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear. Come take it to it. You might like what you see for sure. Aye, we got lots of trees. We got lots of love. We got lots of pretty things. We got lots of hoods. It's a beautiful county. Get lost in the slummy perfection. A beautiful county. It is still correction. Learning such a lesson. Had these 5 sessions.
Now I'm finna take off all this remaining glue that was left from that bad re-glue job. It looks like it was some kind of contact cement. Might not be the hardest thing to get off. glue I'm gonna be using to reglue the tokens. It's not the right glue or the most used one, but it's contact cement. Bought this from Home Depot, paid $5. It works, but I wouldn't recommend it all the time, unless that's the only option you have. Just get some Barge Infinity cement, blue or green kind, any color works.
Hop in the Challenger rolling, hop in the Mustang rolling, with a Tahoe that's been stolen. I was on the prowl over in the morning.
In the meantime, I'm gonna work on this box and get this back right because that just looks disgusting. I'm gonna get some more of this contact cement and just lightly reconnect this to the box. So now I'm finna squeeze the pieces together, make sure everything lined up, and just try and follow along this seam. And again, this isn't the right glue. It's a little too thin, but it could get the job done if it was light. But I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna still use it regardless. For this terrible tape job I'm finna do, real sticky Scotch masking tape. Pull everything up nice and firm. And this leather is just so soft. Don't mean it's high quality, but it's so soft. So it's a little hard to stick the tape on there, but you'll get it. You just want some tape that'll pull it up and hold it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and defog this air bubble with the hair dryer. So it's been today. I'm finna untape them, see how they look. And this is this shoe right here, the left shoe. As you see, pretty smooth lines, but there's still some things that need work. Like right there. Okay, here's some right here. Right here. So just around the toe cap on this one. And then the right shoe. Oh yeah, and I always pull the tape up from the bottom. Don't try and pull it back. You're just gonna peel the shoe back. Big gap left over on the center side. This didn't align properly, so I'm gonna just have to remove the glue and reset that. But it's all good though, because I can be proper now with some actual Barge Infinity cement. Cheapest one I could find online, I think I paid about 28 shipped. I can't remember. eBay. If you can get it locally, do that. But yeah, I'm gonna just go and start working with this right now. Now I'm gonna tape them up.
Hey.